This is the most dangerous problem in mathematics. Now, the rules are simple. Pick a number. Let's say 6. 6 is even, and if the number is even, then divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. Now, 3 is odd, and if the number is odd, then you're going to multiply by 3 and add 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So the next number in this sequence is 10. Now, 10 is even, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is going to give us 16. Now 16 is even, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now 1 is an odd number. And 1 times 3 is going to give us 3. And 3 plus 1 is going to give us 4. So we're going to go back to 4. And 4 is going to get us back to 2. And 2 is going to get us back to 1. And now we're stuck in this loop. These numbers are called hailstone numbers because they rise and fall like ice pellets in a storm, and there's no predictable pattern of how a number is going to react to the Collatz conjecture. And this is why computers have checked every number up to 295 quintillion, and every single one eventually hits 1. But here's the burning question. If we know it works for quintillions of numbers, then why isn't it proven? In mathematics, checking isn't proving. We have to know it works for infinity, and there are two ways which this conjecture can be false. One, a number that keeps growing forever and never hits the 421 loop, or a number enters a different loop that doesn't include 1. And there is no evidence of either of these being possible, but we can't rule them out because impossibility, there's always a possibility. In 2019, Terence Tao, one of the greatest living mathematicians, proved that almost all numbers eventually hit a value that is approximate to 1. But in mathematics, almost all is a technical term, meaning that the exceptions are so rare that they have a probability of 0, and it is the closest you've ever come to a solution, but 100% proof remains out of reach. The problem seems so simple that a third grader can understand it, but not all numbers are as easy as 6. 27 is a monster. It will climb to over 9,232 and oscillate wildly forever for 111 steps, but eventually an one of the greatest mathematicians, Paul Edros, once said that mathematics is not yet ready for such problems.